Hey everyone, glad to have you here for a chat with Pierre. Today it's gonna be a special episode. I will be presenting SimpleSwitch, even though if you have been following this channel, you're probably already familiar with this technology. On the other side, Pierre will present the Embedded Kit. Then we will discuss what they're about, how they work, and how they fit together.
Hi Cedric, hi everyone. Thanks for the invitation. I'm Pierre, working for many years in the embedded ecosystem. I'm today head of product for the Embedded Kit and really happy to be there to share about this topic today.
Thank you, Pierre. A quick reminder about SimpleSwitch. It offers ready-to-use binary images with all the tools you need for software development on Avnet Embedded compute modules. We include a VS Code plugin and Qt Creator integration, so you can quickly start developing your application. Additionally, we provide a container registry with pre-built technology blocks. Our goal is to allow you to focus on what matters most, which is developing your application. However, the convenience of SimpleSwitch comes with a trade-off. It's not initially designed to be secure. With SimpleSwitch, we prioritize simplicity, but it's not production ready. That said, the potential is here, with a bit of customization, of course. Okay, that was all about SimpleSwitch. Pierre, could you give us a quick intro about the Embedded Kit?
Thanks, Cedric. Well, let me introduce the Embedded Kit. Our technology is a toolkit built on 4 different products to help OEMs to, first, go faster to the market for any Linux embedded-based product, ensure an evolutive and easy-to-maintain system, make cybersecurity part of the DNA of the product, and also ensure long-term maintenance vision. All of that is provided to our customer in a full source code to avoid any vendor locking effects.
Thank you, Pierre. Great introduction. But now the big question. How these products fit together?
Indeed, Cedric, SimpleSwitch enables you to create a generic image, and with the Embedded Kit, we provide a solution for production fully dedicated for the OEM with a high customization possibility. So, quick start with SimpleSwitch and smoothly transition to the Embedded Kit, benefiting from features like OTA update, CV monitoring, security features, and more.
In fact, it's very simple. You can develop your application with SimpleSwitch. We give you all the tools and setup to get started quickly. Then, when you're ready to go to production, of course you could stick with SimpleSwitch, but as an alternative, you can use the Embedded Kit and reduce even more your time to market. As we have been discussing many times, security should be everywhere in every product. But we both know that's not always the case. So Pierre, could you tell me more about the security features you just mentioned?
Yes, absolutely, Cedric. With the Embedded Kit, we aim to enable cybersecurity in DNA of our customer product. But what does that mean for real? We base our cybersecurity strategy vision on 3 pillars: minimization and less privilege. Less software component you have, less risk of vulnerabilities there is. Second pillar, running only my software. We enable secure boot feature to ensure only your software that you have signed can run on your final equipment. And finally, the third pillar is about secure storage. All devices need to store secret password, connectivity provisioning key, and business application confidential data. Talking about provisioning, that usually raises the question of manufacturing. I know, Cedric, that at Avnet Embedded, you have an offering around this topic.
Thank you for the transition, Pierre. Of course, at Avnet Embedded, we offer services to program modules, including secure boot and provisioning certificates. So directly out of our factories, you get your module customized for your specific use case. But Pierre, security extends way beyond secure boot, right? We are all aware of the upcoming Cybersecurity Resilience Act. Pierre, could you shed some light on the impacts?
Certainly, Cedric. The impending change go beyond one cybersecurity feature. First, having a secure by design strategy will become mandatory. The second major topic of this future regulation, talking here about the CRA for the Europe, is about having a long-term cybersecurity maintenance. I mean, vulnerability management. It will become mandatory for OEM to follow up, fix, communicate about the vulnerabilities of the system. So detect the CV, common vulnerabilities exposure, apply patch, ensure to follow up the LTS version, long-term support version of Yocto, or the Linux kernel, have to be or will be a new routine to manage for device maker. At the Embedded Kit, we develop and provide a vulnerability scanner dedicated to Yocto to ease this maintenance activity by an optimized filtering of this famous CVE.
Thank you, Pierre. That was extremely interesting. We can never talk too much about security and the impacts. Any last word on the Embedded Kit?
Thanks a lot for the invitation. If you want to know more, all information on our website, theembeddedkit.io.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that session, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Have a nice day and see you in a couple of weeks. We're gonna have a break for Embedded World. Thank you again for watching us. Bye.